Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you how to use ChatGPT like a pro in 2025. Even if you have never used AI before, from beginner tips to advanced hacks, I've got everything you need. Let's dive in. First off, what is even ChatGPT? It's an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that can answer your problems, questions, write content, solve math problems, generate code, plan your week, literally anything. Imagine Google and a super smart assistant had a baby. That's ChatGPT. And it's being used by millions for school, business, content creation, and just having fun. For example, ask it explain gravity. Okay, ask explain gravity like I am 10, and boom, it explains it in kid language step by step. Now, how to access ChatGPT? Here's how to get started with ChatGPT in 2025. Go to chat.openai.com. Chat.openai.com. Here you sign up with your email or Google account. So for now, I'm signing up myself with my Google account. Here I come. Now, once you're in, start typing in the chat box. That's it. There are two versions, free version and paid version. Free version gives you GPT 3.5, which is still amazing. And paid version gives you GPT-4, which is smarter, faster, and more features. Okay, so I will start off with a example. Okay, so ask GPT a question. Write a three paragraph motivational speech for students. ChatGPT will generate a great speech in seconds. So see, here you go. It's a three paragraph motivational speech. Now, let's go with the beginner tips now. Let's talk prompts. The key to using ChatGPT like a pro is asking the right questions. Here are three powerful prompts types you can start with. Okay, so for the first prompt, learn anything. Okay, explain climate change like I am 12. ChatGPT will break down in simple, understandable language, like you are 12 years. Now, for the prompt 2, create content. Let's create a content. Write a YouTube script about 5 benefits of drinking water. It gives you the intro, points, conclusions, and ready to record. Here you go. Here are the details. See, it's going on, it's going on, it's going on. Bam. Now for the prompt 3, personal help. Now you can just ask help me write a resume for an IT support job. And ChatGPT gives you a template, bullet points, and even custom cover letter. There you go. There you go. And boom. Pro tip, be specific. Try things like make it funny, add emojis, use a dramatic tone, and it will adapt instantly. Now, this was it with section 3. Now let's move on to section 4. Advanced uses. What are the advanced uses? Now, let's go to next level. Here are some advanced ways to use ChatGPT. Okay, so for the first one, for coding, write a Python script to sort numbers in a list. It gives the code and explains how it works. Boom. So for the next second one, for travel planning. Okay, so ask GPT plan a 3-day trip to Rome with hotel and food recommendations. And it gives you a full itinerary, budget and maps for the 3 days of your good trips. So here you go, what you can do in the morning, afternoon, lunch, dinner, what are the foods that you can eat, everything. It's going on. Boom. Now let's go on third one, for meal and fitness plan. You can ask GPT, create a 7-day vegetarian meal plan with calories and shopping list. Healthy eating solved. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. Now here GPT has given you 7-day plans for if you are vegetarian. What you can eat, what you can do, your shopping lists, etc. Now, moving forward, let's go on the fourth one, for YouTube and SEO. Okay, you can ask GPT, give me viral YouTube titles for a tech channel. It suggests catchy titles, descriptions, tags, and even thumbnail ideas to you. So here you go. Here are the titles, catchy ones. Now, this was it for the section 4, the advanced uses you can use GPT for. Now, going on to the last segment and the last section of our video, it's ChatGPT for students. So how students can use ChatGPT to study smarter, save time, and boost grades. Perfect for high school, college, and international students. Now, if you are a student watching this, ChatGPT is about to become your new study buddy. Let me show you 5 ways to use it to save time and organize and crush your schoolwork. Summarizing it now. For the first prompt, what you can write to GPT is, you can write summarize. Okay. Let's ask, explain the solar system to me like I am in 9th grade. Okay, and there you go. Perfect for exam preparations, right students? Here is a clear and cool explanation for solar system for the 9th class student. Now, moving toward the next second topic for students. Now, what you can do is you can use it to generate structure, thesis statement, or entire drafts. Now, so for example, let's go to prompt second and ask, write a 3-paragraph essay on climate change with an introduction, body, and conclusion. Okay, so you still edit it but it gives you a major head start how you can start on this topic, climate change. Okay, so this was one. Okay, if you want to ask next question, you can ask, give me an outline research paper about cyberbullying. Okay, and bam, here is an outline for you. This can be worked effectively on your projects in your high schools. Now, moving towards the third step, what it can be is you can use ChatGPT to create study aids from your notes. Now, uh, you can ask GPT create flashcards from physical physics notes, and boom, here is the flashcard for you. Every questions and answers ChatGPT has given you up. Now, the next question, let's ask, make a multiple choice quiz about World War II with 5 questions and use the results to revise anywhere. You can use these answers or results to revise anywhere at any time. Now, moving towards the fourth steps that students can use ChatGPT is, what you can do is, if you are stuck on a coding assignment or algebra problem, paste in it. ChatGPT will solve it and explain why. Okay, so let's ask a question to GPT. Help me fix the Python error index error list index out of range. Okay, this is the question to ChatGPT, that I got a problem with my Python and help me fix this. See, here you go. It's like having a 24/7 tutor. It's given a easy pathway to students. Now, moving towards the fifth step. Okay, ask ChatGPT to help plan your study schedule, assignment tracker, or even your day. Now, what you can ask is, let's go with the prompt fifth and ask GPT create a 5-day study schedule for my final exams and 2 hours per day. Game changer for staying focused. Here is your schedule. Done. Now, let's ask a second question. Help me organize my to-dos for the week in bullet points. Another game changer for staying focused. Now, so if you're in school or college, ChatGPT is your shortcut to working smarter, not harder. Just remember, always double check, cite sources, and make it your own. And that's wrap up today's video on how to use ChatGPT like a pro in 2025, from getting started writing smarter prompts to using it for school work and more. Whether you are a content creator, student, or just curious about AI, ChatGPT can seriously upgrade your life. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. I drop tutorial, tricks, and AI hacks every week right here. Got a specific idea or question? Drop it in the comment. I reply to every one of you. Thanks for watching. Signing off. Catch you in the next one.